Hi, how are you? All good?
I'm okay, sir.
Okay, so first introduce yourself, the school that you are from, and what are the offers that you have.
So I'm Suryan. I'm from Kikani Vidya Mandir. I have completed. I'm not completed. I'm joining. I've got offer from various colleges like Symbiosis Hyderabad, Symbiosis Pune, NMIMS Navi Mumbai and Mumbai, and I have applied for Manipal as well. I've got that as well. But I'll be going to Symbiosis Pune. And
Why? What is the reason?
the obvious reason is one of the best law school in India, that too private one. And Symbiosis Pune, I got to know that they had guest lecturer as Mr. Ramjet Malani, who is one of the best lawyer in India. And the infrastructure and the placements that they give is really great. And being one of the oldest, Symbiosis Pune was my choice.
Superb. And when it comes to your preparation, what are the things that you felt a bit challenging?
So after taking a break, as I took last year as a break, and I've got to know that it's not easy being alone and working, but with the support of you guys, I was able to do it. And definitely there are thoughts which pull you back. Like they were like, what if it doesn't happen? Are we in the right line or not? But then with sir's support and all the things that we had to bear together, all the fun we did in the free time. But I can assure one thing, that if you have that thing in your mind that you have to do it, just do it. It will be that easy when you get it.
Any other advices for your juniors?
Only advice that I can give, not that experience I would say, but with this 1 year, I can say that just keep working, do the mocks, keep doing them again, go through them again, get GK knowledge from sir. Like he can tell you almost like, just tell him the topic, next day he'll come to you, he'll call you and he'll teach you. And other than that, never hesitate to approach and get to know more about, deeply get to know about more of the GK. Like we have Manthans, you can use them. The YouTube videos these days are really helpful of Career Launcher. I use them a lot, especially Govind sir, one of my favorite. And I hope the one thing that you should keep in mind is just keep working. It's not hard, but you have to give your time. The more time you give, the better result you get. That's all.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Suryan. All the best again.
Thank you,
Stay in
sir.
touch.
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Congrats again, buddy. So happy for you.